Hi friends, welcome to Candlesticks Decoded. In our Telegram channel on Friday itself, that is last week Friday itself, I have posted these three resistance levels, that is R1, R2 and R3. And let's see today how the market have reacted in our levels. On Friday itself, what happened was market exactly took support at our level and the market gave a rally up to our level of R1. Here in the level R1, we could clearly see market have taken a resistance of about 4 to 5 candles and the buyers tried their best to close the market above our level and see how the fall have happened from our level to the next level. And here also the sellers tried their best to close the candle below this level, and whenever the market tried to go below this level, the buyers were pushing the price higher and higher, and finally they brought the price higher and closed above this level. And on the next day we had a gap down below this level and the market traded and closed below this level itself. And on the next day the market opened gap up, and see how exactly the market took resistance at our level and then it fell up to our level. And here also exactly from our level the market took support and it broke above this level R1 and then it retested our level. How exactly it retested our level, and then it gave a rally till our next level of R2. And today also market gave a fall from our level of around how many points, that is we had a fall of around 110 points. So I hope if you have followed our levels would have helped you to catch a reasonable number of points in Nifty. Okay friends, now let's look into the analysis of Nifty from the monthly chart. If we look into this monthly chart, we had a consecutive red candles for the past 4 months. And if we look into the historical chart, nowhere we have seen a fall for consecutively 5 months. It is for the maximum of 4 months we had red candle, and then for the 5th month itself we had a rally. And here also 3 months fall, and from the 4th month we had a rally. And similarly here also we had a fall for 3 months and then we had a rally. So if we see here, we had continuously 4 months red candle. So we shall hope for a rally from this point. And as we discussed in our previous videos, in the monthly chart, Nifty is taking support in this 20 EMA in the historical chart. Here also Nifty has taken support from this 20 EMA, and here also Nifty has taken support from 20 EMA, and everywhere we can see this 20 EMA Nifty is taking the support. So as we discussed already, we have said that Nifty is still having some points to move downwards before it could take a rally, that we have discussed already. So here we can expect two things to happen. One is the price could go somewhere up and then again test this 20 EMA before it could rally. Otherwise, the price can consolidate here for a while so that this 20 EMA could reach this price and both can merge before the price can take rally. Now let's wait and see what happens here. So in the weekly chart, it's clear that Nifty is forming a lower high, lower low formation. So here we can expect market to form a lower high before it falls further. And the thing is, we have to find the possibility of where the market can have a resistance before it falls further. Now let's move on to the daily chart. So if we look into this daily chart, it's clearly seen that currently market is respecting this trend line, and today the market opened gapped up and fell below this line and closed below this trend line itself. Okay friends, now let's look into the intraday chart for tomorrow's key levels. We shall follow the same levels for tomorrow also, and if we have a reversal from this level of R2 or we have a break of this today's low, we shall expect a target of around 23,580, that is our level of R1. And then if it breaks below this level, we shall expect a target of around 23,460 here. And if the market breaks above this R2, we shall expect a target of up to R3. Okay friends, let's wait and see how market reacts in our levels tomorrow. Have a safe and profitable trade. Thank you friends.